Good morning, everybody. A very good morning to all of you. तो बच्चों, we are here with another job notification through GATE 2021. So let me introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 18. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. And guys, one thing that you all need to understand is that you are getting so amazing initiative free of cost on YouTube as well as an Academy app only because of Unacademy, because Unacademy is not an organization, it is a revolution, it is a mission to empower each and every child, each and every student in this country that they can get quality education even if they can't afford it. So other than that, my friend, I would like to tell you that we don't only give the free initiative on YouTube, but we also give it on Unacademy Learning app. So download the Unacademy Learning app from App Store or Play Store and unlock any free initiative using the code ANKIT-ESE. So this code will unlock any free lecture, free test series, free quiz, combat, anything that you want to watch. Okay. So let's get started here, students, with the job notification. So as you can see, we have the recruitment of executive trainees through GATE 2021. Recruitment of executive trainees through GATE 2021 in NMDC. So NMDC is a Navratna company. That is one of the 9 companies or the major public sector undertaking company, major PSU. How many vacancies are released? 10 in electrical, 25 material management, 14 in mechanical and 18 in mining. That means majorly electrical and mechanical students can apply for this. What is the qualification? Bachelor degree in engineering, final year are also eligible to apply. That's a great news, because if the final years can apply, then students can seek job during their final year. Okay, but you have to show the final pass certificate at the time of group discussion. So you can show your final year mark sheet as a pass certificate at the time of GD and interview. Okay. So for electrical, which people can apply? Electrical, triple E. Note this, triple E can also apply. Power system and power electronics. In mechanical, mechanical engineers, mechanical automation, industrial and production can also apply, PI. Then mechanical production, production engineering and mining. For material management, that is the 25 posts of material management. See, these 25 posts, electrical, mechanical can also apply. So electrical will have in a total 10 plus 25, 35. Mechanical will have 25 plus 14, 39 vacancies. Okay. So guys, so the students having dual degree will also be considered. Minimum percentage is 60%. Mark this. Many of you always ask, sir, how many marks are minimum required? That is 60%. Okay. And for SC, ST, PWD, it is 45%. Okay. Is that clear? So age limit is 27 years. So I think the people who have recently graduated, the age limit will not be any problem. Okay. This I have already told about the discipline. Vacancies we have already seen how to apply. See. So students have to log on to gate.iitb.ac.in. Okay. Because this recruitment is through GATE 2021. GATE 2021. So what all happens when you are applying for a PSU recruiting through GATE? You have to use your GATE admit card in application, and all these applications come out after the GATE exam has occurred. So you have to go to this link nmdc.co.in, and on the career page, the link will be activated. From 1st of March. Note the date, 1st of March till 21st of March. For 21 days, the link will be active. So try and apply as soon as possible. So basically, they will be considering your GATE score, not everyone's GATE score. GATE score for the people that have applied to NMDC. Suppose 100 people apply and they want to call 50. So the top 50 out of those 100 will be called for the GD and PI. So there are various steps that happen when you go for a PSU recruitment. They verify your documents, they take a group discussion, they take a personal interview. It is a day-long process. From morning till evening you will be busy. Okay. So guys, visit the website. Written exam will be considered as the gate. Okay. Then group discussion, then personal interview. They have also given weightage. 70 marks will be from the gate. That means if you have done well in the gate exam, there are many chances that you will do well. You will do well or you will get selected, because 70 marks belong to the gate exam. So how these 70 will be taken? Suppose I get 50 out of 100. Then that means out of 70, it will be 35. Simple scaling, unitary method. Okay. Then 15 for GD and 15 for PI. Okay. Now, so 1:10. 1:10 ratio will be the candidate calling. That is, for 10 vacancies, 100 people will be called. Okay. Is that clear? And guys, you will find the link of this notification in the description. So you can go through all the details. So here they have given the document verification. When you will go for document verification, you have to carry original as well as Xerox. Okay, remember that. Because Xerox you have to submit, but they will match it with the original ones. So go through this in detail and start applying from 1st of March. Okay. So that is all about this vacancy. Okay guys. And other than that, what I would like to tell you all is that you can become a part of Unacademy Plus, where you can get the top educators across the country, comprehensive and crash course, and in the name of content you get daily assignment, weekly quiz, test series, question bank, and if you get any doubt, we have doubt clearing session. And in one subscription you can access 1 year, 2 year, 3 year foundation, placement, interview, PSU, AE semester, every batch. But if you want to go one step ahead, go for Iconic. Here, in addition to the plus benefits, you will get a personal coach. You will get a study planner made by that personal coach. This personal coach is a GATE and ESE ranker. Teachers will take personalized guidance session, test series analysis, your strengths and weaknesses. Study material will be separate, and a dedicated team which will immediately solve your doubt. So you can use the code Ankit ESE to get an immediate 10% discount. And my dear students, I am recently starting a new subject from 17th March, that is analog electronics. So join as soon as possible. So with Ankit ESE, your 1 year fees will be 27,225, 18 months 34,650, 2 year 39,600. Go for 2 year, per month cost is minimum, and you can avail on EMI without paying any interest. In case of Iconic, for 1 year the fees will be 45,225. For 2 years, 66,600. Again, go for 2 year, so that per month cost will be minimum. Okay. And this is my Unacademy profile. After downloading Unacademy app, do follow me here. And you can send me messages as well. Other than that, my dear students, you can subscribe to my Telegram channel to stay updated with all the latest videos. Okay. So thank you everybody. We'll see you soon, very, very soon. Okay. I hope this job notification helps and you watch and visit the website once and start applying from 1st of March. Those of you who have appeared for GATE 2021, and all the best. Let's crack it.